Hi friends, I welcome you to another video on convergence insufficiency, its clinical diagnosis and management of the condition. Why do we need vergence? Rapid and accurate eye movements are necessary to fixate and stabilize a retinal image. It is important to maintain a fixed retinal image to stabilize the visual world during body movement. Several components are required to maintain fixation and to shift the line of sight to a new point of interest. We need the rapid eye movements, namely saccades, pursuits and vergence to stabilize the retinal image. Smooth pursuit system is required to hold a moving target on the fovea. We require saccadic system to bring the fovea to the object of regard. And good vergence system to place the object of regard on both foveas while looking from near to far and from far to near. Convergence insufficiency is a common binocular condition in which the eyes drift outward when reading or doing close work. The patient will have difficulty in maintaining motor fusion at near. Symptoms of convergence insufficiency are difficulty in concentrating, blurred near vision, tired eyes, headache, overlapping of words, sleepiness. It is most common cause of ocular discomfort. Can be due to uncorrected refractive error or systemic disease. Patients with inadequate convergence have difficulty or diplopia during near work. There is relationship between uncorrected refractive error and convergence insufficiency. Hyperopes who makes little effort to accommodate for their blurred vision, and myopes who generally makes no effort to accommodate for near are susceptible for developing this condition. Low accommodative effort leads to low AC-buyer ratio, which can result in exophoria and can lead to convergence insufficiency ultimately. Patients with CI will have the following. They usually have receded near point of convergence, exophoria at near, reduced positive fusional vergence, deficiencies of negative relative accommodation. During clinical evaluation, as they have low AC-buyer ratio, the exophoria is more observed for near than at distance. Minimum difference of 4 prism diopter is observed. They have reduced near point of convergence. Reduced positive fusional vergence of less than 15 prism is observed. When we add plus lenses, it tends to increase exophoria and demand on already compromised NPC, thereby showing less NRA values, and for the same reason they have difficulty in clearing plus lenses in binocular accommodative flippers. The treatment options includes correction of refractive error, convergence exercises, prism glasses, and as a last resort, strabismus surgery is also considered. Convergence exercises includes convergence cards like CAT card, stereograms, computer-based convergence exercise, vergence facility exercise, base out prism exercise, etc. Convergence cards helps to train the eyes to align properly and converge at a single point, which is essential for clear, single vision. These exercises also improves the eye's ability to converge or turn inward when focusing on objects that are close. This is particularly important for activities like reading or any close-up work, and also to maintaining convergence for prolonged periods, thereby reducing eye strain during tasks that require sustained focus at near distances. By training the eyes to converge accurately, these exercises can enhance depth perception and stereopsis. Improved coordination and muscle strength can lead to faster and more accurate visual responses, which is beneficial for both academic and everyday activities. Several software programs are available that provide guided exercises for convergence insufficiency. These programs often use interactive games and activities to make the exercises engaging and effective. Bayes and Prism glasses are also prescribed when patient does not improve much with convergence exercises. Next, let's see about Brock string. Brock string is a common vision therapy tool. It consists of a white flexible cord or string, approximately 10 to 15 feet in length, with colored wooden beads that can be moved to various positions along the length of the string. The Brock offers instant feedback to the participant if their eyes are working together to focus on an object at various distances. The Brock string is often used in vision therapy for patients with convergence disorders such as convergence insufficiency, amblyopia, and strabismus. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for learning more about optometry. Thank you.